Hello viewers, what's up? Today we are going to see how to prepare vegetable gravy. Vegetable gravy, we want to take ingredient and we need to wash before we use. Next we will grind together. That means we are going to cut onion for our recipe. After peeling the skin of the onion, now we want to remove top part and then bottom part. Let's see benefits of onion and history of onion. Generally, onions are super healthy. So, onions were grown in ancient Egypt, 5500 years ago. Benefit of onion. So, onion consists of vitamin C, calcium, iron. Vitamin C 20%, calcium 4%, iron 4%. Was wrong, please forgive me. Wow, next we will see the health benefit of onion. Onion act as antioxidants, protecting the body against free radicals. That's good. And cancer and digestion problem also it can be helpful, and regulating blood sugar also it will be good. Use onion, then you want to cry again, that also good for health. And then we are going to add tomatoes for our recipe. You want to remove top portion of the tomatoes. It is a dish which I love very much from my childhood. You can put n number of tomatoes so that you can able to get a fine-tuned paste. Next we are going to cut green chili. Green chili is for spiciness. If you want more spicy in food, then you can able to add this. So basically green chili is originated from Mexico, and after that it came to Asia. Now the Asian peoples are using mostly. Ingredient is carrot. So we want to remove the top portion, bottom portion of the carrot. After that you want to peel the skin of the carrot for make use of it for vegetable gravy. So let's see a next ingredient, beans. So you want to remove top and bottom portion of the beans, and then you need to wash with water. After that you want to cut it small pieces for vegetable gravy. Next we are going to add potato for our recipe. So before cutting the potato we need to peel the skin of the potato, because the skin got so many dust particles. So if you remove the skin, then it will be easy for cook. We are ready with our ingredients, so let's make vegetable gravy together. After 2 minutes we want to add fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Next we need to add cloves, cardamom for the recipe. After adding those recipe ingredients, you want to wait for 5 minutes. After that you will hear some crackling sound inside the container. Now after that the container was ready to add another ingredient. That we want to add curry leaf, followed by curry leaf you want to add onion. For this is the next ingredient for our vegetable gravy. After waiting for onion to fry for 10 minutes, after that we want to add turmeric followed by salt for the onion. So the onion will fry soon. pan is ready to add chili powder, coriander powder, followed by tomato. Coriander, I forgot to tell, we want to add ginger garlic paste, and then we want to add the tomatoes which we have ready before. To make sure that after adding the tomatoes we have enough water in the container or not. If we don't have enough water, there will be a thin black layer will form under the container. Adding tomato, we want to wait for another 15 minutes so that the tomato will be dissolved inside the container. After that we will get a fine-tuned paste for our recipe. Yep, we have completed our 40% of cooking. So next we want to add our main ingredient for vegetable gravy. So we have ready the vegetable before itself. So we want to put carrot, tomato, potato, beans together into the container. Add in all ingredient. You want to check the spiciness and salt of the recipe. So if you require more, then you can add more spicy by adding chili powder. Everything is okay. Now you want to add little bit of water to boil the ingredient well for vegetable gravy. As I said earlier, you want to check your container for every 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So because that if water got evaporate, the thin black layer will form, then that fragrance will be bad while eating. Add in all those things. You can check after 20 minutes. Half boiled vegetable. We reached cooking for 80%. So we came to the end. Now the vegetable boiled for 90%. After that we want to add coconut. So another 10% it will cook. After that we will serve that vegetable gravy. After adding coconut, you will find that your recipe got more dryness. You want to add little bit water, and then you want to make it dry for the end of the process. Yes, we came to final stage. Now we are going to add coriander for fragrance. Now you can see the consistency of our gravy. It will be more dryness, so it's called semi gravy. We want to boil for another 5 minutes, then we can serve this dish.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
You liked the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to do more recipe in future. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe.